Okay, let's dive right in. Imagine that you are standing at the edge of a vast ocean of data, and you are holding a compass that shows the direction to navigate this sea. You know that at the heart of this ocean lies incredible insights waiting to be discovered if you can harness its power. That's where Microsoft Azure AI comes into play, specifically as your machine learning designer. Now, I know jargon can be a bit overwhelming, but trust me, this journey I'm about to take you on is going to be as thrilling as discovering uncharted waters. Azure Machine Learning Designer is Microsoft's attempt to make navigating through a sea of data a breeze. Think of it as a magical tool that turns raw data into actionable insights without having to be an expert in coding yourself. It's like talking to a genie instead of writing complex spells in an ancient tongue. Now, why is Azure Machine Learning Designer so important for you, a skilled IT professional, as an IT administrator or a data scientist in the enterprise? Let me paint a picture for you. Visual tools can bridge the gap between different teams, regardless of their expertise levels. This means even those who can tell a story or communicate with stakeholders can contribute effectively as they can see and understand the machine learning pipelines with ease. It fosters a culture of collaboration and democratizes machine learning within an organization. Let's talk about its strategic importance. The business landscape today is much like a battlefield where decisions backed by data can give you the upper hand, helping you thrive against the competition. Machine learning can predict market trends, streamline operations, or even innovate new products. The possibilities are endless. Azure Machine Learning Designer offers a way to implement this tech-savvy tactics straight into our arsenal without the headache of complex code writing. As we sail through the strategic implementation, Azure Machine Learning Designer lets us construct an